So, sun and flower makes sunflower word. So, two different words, sun and flower, makes a compound word, sunflower. Now, so today we are going to be talking about sunflowers. Sunflowers are beautiful plants. You can find them all over the world. They mostly native to North and South America, but you can find them in different countries in Europe and Argentina and Turkey. The most seeds are collected in Ukraine and Russia actually, and many European countries. The sunflower can grow up to 120 inches tall, and it has a very thick stem and a beautiful yellow florets, and there is a disc inside. So let's talk about the parts of a sunflower. Do you see? All the part that you don't see when you see the sunflower in the garden are the roots that are inside the dirt. Then you see a very sturdy stem, leaves, the ray florets, and the disc florets. And inside the disc florets are the seeds. I am going to show you something that I have. I have sunflower seeds, and this spring I planted them. And guess how much they grew for the past 2 weeks? That's how big they grew. They still small, they still in the pot, but maybe in a few days I will plant them in the garden, and I'll water them every day, morning and night. And I wait and see until they grow into the tall, beautiful sunflower. And guess what? When the sunflower is a full bloom and it has the seeds inside the disc, when you open that seed, the dry seed, inside there is another seed that is edible. You can eat it up. It's yummy, crunchy, and very healthy for you. People use sunflower seeds for many things. Sometimes when your mommy cooking with the sunflower oil is made out of sunflower seeds. Sometimes people use them for snack, or they put them in the bread when they bake the bread. So I would like to share more with you about the wonderful sunflower. Let's read a book about life cycle of a sunflower. Let's take a look and listen. Sunflower life cycle. All about plants. Look at this beautiful field of bright sunflowers. This book will tell you all about them. Plants grow all over the world. Sunflowers are plants. So is everything in this garden. A hummingbird visits a sunflower. Plants are living things, but they do not move around like animals. Plants stay in one place and grow. Some plants have flowers, some plants have vegetables or fruits. Both animals and people depend on plants for food. Look, a butterfly drinks nectar. A child eats watermelon. Plants need air, sun, soil, and water to grow healthy and strong. There are millions of kinds of plants in the world. Do you know what makes all of them alike? They all began as tiny seeds. let's take a look at the life cycle of a sunflower to see how a plant grows. These are sunflower seeds. They get planted in the spring. Why? They need warmth and rain to grow into flowers. Rainwater wets the ground. It softens a seed until it bursts open. Then up grows a baby sunflower with roots, a stem, and a little green leaves. Just like I showed you in my pot. The plant gets bigger and bigger. It grows a big bud at the top of its stem. Do you know what that bud will become? The answer is a bright yellow flower. One by one, the petals open. Soon the sunflower will be in full bloom. It takes sunflower many days to open all the way up. Flower to seed. About 2 months after the seed was planted, the sunflower is all grown up. It is now in full bloom. A bee sucks up nectar. A few days later, the sunflower begins to make a sugary liquid called nectar. Buzz, buzz. Bees stop by for a sweet drink. Sunflowers also make a sticky dust called pollen. When bees fly from flower to flower, they spread the dust around. This causes the sunflowers to make new seeds. Pollen grains look like this close up. In fall, sunflowers shrivel up and start to die. They drop their seeds with each side into the ground. The seeds stay buried until spring. They grow into new sunflowers. The center of a sunflower is packed with hundreds of seeds. So, remember, the life cycle of a sunflower starts in spring. A sunflower seed is planted in the ground. Then a sunflower seeds burst open and a little plant grow. Then a sunflower opens all its bright petals and blooms. A shivering sunflower drops its seeds so that new plant can grow. Can you remember the 4 main parts of sunflower life cycle? Sunflower life cycle lasts about 4 months. Super sunflowers. Sunflowers grow all over. Some grow in gardens and fields. Others grow on special sunflower farms like this. There are 67 different kinds of sunflowers in the world. There are many uses for sunflowers. Oil from sunflowers is used for cooking. You can also eat the seeds. Crunch, crunch, crunch. You can even pick sunflowers and give them to someone you love. That's a beautiful bouquet. I hope you had fun listening and learning all about the sunflowers. Now, you can practice growing your own sunflower seeds in your home. It is a lot of fun watching it grow. I hope my sunflowers will grow into a beautiful big sunflowers in fall. In the next video, I'm gonna show you a fun art project, how to make your own sunflower.